ZENA stock analysis price predictions for Friday. Is ZenaTech stock a buy? I'll definitely be breaking all this down in this quick short 1 minute video. You know, having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've documented everything, so I know what's working for me and what's not. And mainly not that I just know, I've documented everything, especially with where things are. I have a very decent idea on the swing perspective with ZenaTech. It's just that I'm yet to see my rules actually being met. So if you actually look at this, I've taken 5 trades. 3 wins will break even and a loss. That's part of the game. You can see, like, at some point, yes, this thing was sitting at $7, but guess who was here behind that, before that, calling out bullish biases on $2.23. That's me 3 months ago. Yeah, we've came at such a high way, and then I'm only looking to double down, and this would only matter if I see the confirmation. So I'm yet to see a double break like this. You might think this is like a first break, which, yeah, didn't happen. I'm still waiting for a full-on double break, and from there on I'll keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned, if you want to get free money making emails and insights and stock picks, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.